Hey, remember, if you're an HVAC business owner looking for a good CRM software, click on my referral link in the description below to learn more about Jobber. We got deals in the neighborhood. Hey back, people. So I have returned the next day to do a maintenance on 4 split systems, and I have a 4th bonus favorite feature that I like about Jobber, and this is no particular order though, but it has to be job forms. Information data, history of the units. With all these, in my job forms, I can get the condition of these units, model, serial numbers, pressures, temperatures at the time that I service the unit. So I always have a history of what's been going on when I service these units. And let's say, for instance, this one right here, when it's time for them to replace this unit right here, I already have the model serial number in my database. I know the tonnage of the system, so I can go ahead and get them a quote or estimate faster that way, because I already have pretty much all the information that I need on the unit. So Zero zero Bravo 20929.
29. Okay, that's a 2000 year model.
Okay, year 2000.
Yes.
All right, thanks a lot.
You're welcome. That's all you needed today?
That's all I need.
Okay, thank you all. Have a great rest of your day.
All right, so I confirmed that this unit is a 2000 unit. So this unit is 23 years old, but it's still kicking.
If you are a home service business owner looking for a good CRM software, click on my referral link in the description below. And as always, thanks for watching.